tender our unreserved apologies for holding our distinguished guests to ransom for the greater part of the day. We were in Maiduguri. We flew over to burning Kebbi and drove to Argungu to condole His Royal Highness the Sultan Kebbi Argungu and the family of the late Sheikh Abubakar Gero Argungu, a prominent Islamic scholar who died recently. It was thereafter that we flew over to Sokoto. Please accept our sincere apologies. For paucity of time, I'm going to be very, very brief. Nigeria has a 28 million housing deficit, and we need 21 trillion naira to meet our housing needs. So the giant effort of the Sokoto state government in its first 100 days in office is not only commendable, but is worthy of emulation by other states across the length and breadth of this country. I want to commend Governor Ahmed Aliu Sokoto for starting so well. Beyond the housing efforts, the administration has constructed so many urban roads and completed a project, an overhead bridge, a flyover that he inherited from the past administration. It's a testimony to his developmental impetus and drive and commitment and passion and patriotism that he did not abandon projects that he made on ground. And most importantly, for making the deputy governor not a sidekick, but an active deputy governor by supervising the very, very important Ministry of Works is also a very, very commendable attribute. He has taken him as a partner, as a brother, as a co-traveler, and of course, for according the due respect to our leader, distinguished Senator Aliu Magatakarda Wamakko. Senator Wamakko is not only a leader in Sokoto, he's not only a leader in the Northwest, he is a pillar in northern Nigeria and by extension the whole federation. He is the last of the great titans. Some of our last grassroots politicians who have fiercely identified with the people at the bottom of the economic pyramid. We want to thank him. We want to commend him for providing leadership and guidance to our humble governor and his team. May Allah continue to usher in a period of unprecedented development and peace for Sokoto and Nigeria as a whole. I bring you glad tidings from His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. He specifically directed me, just like Engineer Idris Mohammed Gobir is actively engaged in Sokoto. I'm proud to say that my principal is actively engaging me in activities of the government. He specifically requested me that I should come and spend a night in Sokoto and see to it that we commission all the projects that the governor has lined up for commissioning. And we spoke last night, and he said, "Are you in Sokoto?" I said, "No, sir, I'm going to Sokoto tomorrow." And here we are in Sokoto, birnin Shehu. Allah ya ba mu zaman lafiya, Allah ya ba mu haɗin kai, Allah ya ba mu bunƙasan arziki. Kalambaina muna zuwa is famous for rice and is showing on the affluence of the people in Kalambaina. Thank you so much. It's my singular honor and privilege to lay the foundation stone for the 500 units of housing for our civil servants and the general public in Kalambaina, in Wamakko local government area of Sokoto State. Thank you so much.
Let me start by thanking the Almighty Allah for sparing our lives to witness this historic day. Today, we are in Wamakko local government in Versity for the laying foundation of 500 house estate for civil servants and the general public in the state. Sir, this project is part of our promises to civil servants. And today, we are here to lay the foundation of 500 housing estates. Your Excellency, distinguished audience, program was initiated by Aliyu Magatakadda Wamakko administration. And since then, for the past 100 years of immediate past administration, the program was abandoned. Even the Kalambaina housing estate was abandoned in the state. I want to take this opportunity to tell the entire people of Sokoto State that inshallah my administration will complete the abandoned Salanki State project for the benefit of the state. Your Excellency, distinguished audience, the project was awarded to One Dial Company Limited at the cost of 7,385 million naira. Inshallah, if completed, will be given to civil servants and general public as honors prize. Your Excellency, I want to take this opportunity to thank you most profoundly for accepting our invitation to be here despite your very tired schedule. We thank you most sincerely. With these remarks, I now have the honor and privilege to respectfully Shettima, President of the Republic of Nigeria, to remark on the list of these Your Excellency.
There's a completion of 500 housing units initiated by the administration of His Excellency Dr. Aramide Nusirat Oki, ACIT, MCNA, the Executive Governor of Sokoto State, by myself, Shettima, on Sunday, 10th September 2022.
Dawan Ahmad Aliyu horon serta Aliyu mengatakan Wamakko selama Allah ya so abinda baban su yayi Ahmad ce kuma zai dora daga inda uban shi ya tsaya kamar da kuka gani ga mataimakin shugaban kasa nan yana kaddamar da wani fara da gidaje wanda kuma hukumar da yanzu da ta kasa NPA ke gabatarwa kai tsaye a don faɗin Najeriya daga nan jihar Sokoto. Wannan kamar da kuka ji mataimakin shugaban kasa ya faɗa shi ma kai ne ya yi ba da irin ƙwazo da ƙoƙarin wannan gwamna wanda kuma sai dai saura su yi turu. Hakika jihar Sokoto ta tsayar tsara da samun jagorancin wannan yanzu wata ana aliyu ayyukan da sunan da duk akwai wani fanni ka duba a cikin jihar Sokoto wannan ya nuna irin kokarin wannan sabon gwamnati.